3 shades of black. We all like metal and whiskey, living hard and chasing down hell. We'll never give up on what we have, 'cause the darkness gives us our thrill.
Okay, yesterday I gave you a little video on the weather situation here. And so today, I'm going to do an update and show you the craziness. Alright, here's the same view that we had. Oh, you focus on for me? Oh, maybe you won't. There we go. Yeah, man. Look at these freaking trees. Mind you, this is May 2nd. Not exactly sure how many inches we got, but see this right here? Yeah, this is going to be fun to get rid of. Looks like it's a couple feet deep. Anyway, so I'm going to bring you guys along for this adventure. I'm going to be going outside right now and doing my snow blowing. This stuff's just falling. It's crazy. It's just so heavy in the trees. It's nuts. Especially for May. I think this broke that 3-inch record of the one-time snowfall. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna clean this up. Maybe I'll even videotape some of that. And then I'm gonna go out and get some breakfast. But I have to get out of here first. Okay, you can see all the snow here. Right, craziness. That's my hand. So you can see it's freaking pretty deep, but the real nuts part is this. It was so freaking heavy, it dropped trees. Look at this crap. All over back here. I might have some work with the chainsaw, it's looking like. Even this bush. Some of these things might spring back up, but I don't know. I'm gonna just clean up my yard. Look at this shit. Holy fucking hell. It's all just from the sheer weight of the snow. I mean, it is thick. Yeah, look, you see it, they spring right up. Wow. Still some over there that waits on this freaking line. There. A little better. Ow. Piece of chunk of crap just fell out of a tree and hit me. If you guys heard that, I don't know. Yeah, this is some massive devastation here. Bad news. Surprised I still have power in the house. Anyway, my snowblower's in there, and I might have to do some finagling just to get in there. But we'll see. Hopefully I can get out of here today. I hope you guys, come on, focus, stupid thing. I have to show you, this is just nuts. You shake the snow off, the tree goes up. It's that freaking heavy. Raised up. You crazy? It's kind of blocking my door. Okay, so I was finally able to navigate my way into this thing. Yeah, just barely. There must be hundreds of pounds of snow on these things. I don't know, it's crazy. How weird this really is. Here. The plants are already coming up. All freaking over. Everything is turning green. This is a very, very weird weather event. And look at the wires. Things like 8 inches in diameter. So it just sticks to everything. Super damaging. Even my freaking sad car. My sad shed. Man. Alright. So I've been cleaning out here, right? Trying to get this. And I hope I got enough of this crap to get out of here. Not so much up here I'm worried about. It's down here the plow just put a whole bunch of garbage there. Yeah. Hey, that guy, he had the same idea. Like this, every time I was going through here, my snowblower was just bogging down and it would almost kill. So I had to stop. It's just thick slushiness. This is just nasty. It's like fucking mud. Super gross. Hey, you know, you don't even want to do a good job cleaning this shit because it's gonna be gone next week. And I don't want to do any cutting up of the trees because I don't know how much I'm going to spring back up. So I just have to wait.